Victoria. It's the three of you sing, Jellicle cats are black and white. Then Bill, Bailey, Jelly, and Finn will go, Jellicle cats, as we said, are small. Then Mocha, Strap, Adidas, and Gus say, if it happens to be a stormy night, we will, and then you guys switch. Then it's Alonzo, Quaxo, and Carbuckety. You guys switch. Nope, you stay on, you again. We will practice a caper or two in the hall. And we all sing, if it happens to be sunshine. What do we do when we say if it happens, the sun is shining bright? You don't move on if it happens to be, you're not going to get it for shining bright, okay? So you walk. If it happens, the sun is shining bright. We're already there. If it happens, the sun is shining bright. Then Rumtum says, you would say we had nothing to do at all. And that's the cue for the rest of you to come in for, that's Rumtum, that's it. Rumtum. Then you all sing, we are resting ourselves to be right for the Jellicle move and the Jellicle roll. Okay? All right, can we go from Alonzo, Rumple, Victoria, and everyone else is going to circle my ensembles out. Can we pick it up from there?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? So keep your wits about you, please. I don't know what's happening back there. It shouldn't be more important than what's happening up here. Thank you.
Do you want me to continue this video or make a new one?
Let's continue the video
Okay.
from now.